In this tutorial, we're gonna see how to remove blank rows from data in Microsoft Excel. I have some data right here that I downloaded from Yahoo Finance. It is the historical price of Tesla for the past year, from 2019 up until yesterday. And if we look closer, you can see that we have some blank rows over here on row 13, 19, 22, 23, and if we scroll closer to the bottom, you see that we also have some blank rows over here. And one thing that we can do is we can select each individual row and press CTRL and minus and remove them, but that would be a lot of work, and let me show you a better option to do this. So the first step is to go to the Home tab, and from here you have to go to Find and Select. And once you click on that button, you're going to see some options over here, and you have to select the Go to Special option. And once you've selected that option, Excel will show you a wizard that says Go to Special, and it will show you a bunch of options that you can select. And in our case, I'm going to select blanks from here, and I'm going to click OK. And once I've done that, you can see that all my blank rows have been selected. If we scroll all the way to the bottom, you can see blank rows are selected in here. So all the blank rows within data have been selected. And with that, we can either press CTRL and minus and the rows will be removed, or you can go to delete, click on it, and just like that, the blank rows will be removed, and in the place of a blank row, the data that was right next to it will be moved up with one row or as many blank rows that were deleted from there. And that's it. This is how you do it. This is how you remove blank rows from data. Now, if you've reached the end of the video, I want to thank you for watching, and if you could please do me a favor and hit the like button and leave a comment below with your feedback for this video. It will help me a lot with the channel, and it will also help me reach more people in the future. And by the way, if you'd like to see more videos like this, please check out the description of this video. I have a link right there to a playlist full of Microsoft Excel videos just like this one. Thank you, and I hope you have a great day.